Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. Today, we're unwrapping the Audi R8. I know, I love the red and black just as much as you guys, but I am selling the car, and from a valuation standpoint, it makes the most sense to have the car unwrapped. So we're gonna start it up, take it outside. I want the vinyl to bake under the Utah sun for like a good hour. Should make the removal process that much easier. OG subscribers, you'll remember when the Gallardo was purple and I decided to unwrap it, it didn't go very well. Also, later on in the video, we are taking the Gallardo up to Utah's biggest exotic car show. So if you like Lambos, pro tip 99, you're probably gonna wanna park it for the rest of the video because it's gonna be a good day. From a valuation standpoint, it would make the most sense to reinstall the stock exhaust and sell the straight pipe separately. The problem, it sounds very good. It's very, very loud. Wait for it, wait for it. I snaked you guys. If I have to do it, you guys, well, you don't really have to watch. It's kind of like, well, you know what I mean. I am gonna leave this ski box black, so we're gonna remove that. It's white underneath and, well, yeah, so. Fatigue is starting to set in. It's like 98 degrees today. As you guys know, hydration, it's essential, but first, cheers. This is kind of an unplanned sequence in the vlog. What do you think about the red side blade with the silver paint? I think it looks killer. I'm gonna leave it on for a couple days, maybe a week. If you disagree, let me know in the comments below. I don't know how to really say this. This never happens on my channel. This is a first. This is going surprisingly well. Like, we are just chilling. We are cruising, removing this vinyl wrap off the R8. Now the hood and the bumper, I'm gonna have to be a little bit more careful because there's PPF underneath, and the sun is so intense that I don't want to pull the vinyl and the PPF off. Looks so good. You guys, are we good? That, I may have just broken my camera focus. Come on, focus, we need focus. We're good, I don't know how to say this. I'm an idiot, so my camera was attached to this tripod and it became disconnected when I grabbed it, but the focus appears to be good. Microphone, audio check, 1, 2, 3. All right, we're good, we're good. I love the brushed black vinyl, but one of the issues, it doesn't age very well. Just the nature of the grain, it's super staticky, and so dirt like gets embedded in it. So it looked great when it was brand new, but now it kind of just has this dirty look to it. I don't think on camera you'll be able to tell, but trust me, just, yeah, if you, I mean, you don't have to, but you can. You see, boys, it's not how many times you take the shot, it's that you take the shot. It's just how we do it. Did I actually make that? No way! What? Dude, check that out! I actually made it! I kid you not, that was my first attempt. Are you kidding me? LeBron! I'll play in LA even though I'm a Trailblazers fan. I'd reckon it looks better in silver than it did in black. Also, the red side blade is like the perfect contrast. Time check, it's like 3:30, so we did it in world record pace. So we need to put the car back in the garage, and then we're headed off to a Lambos. Well, there's gonna be a lot of supercars. There's gonna be more than just Lambos. So if you like Lambos, that's cool, but if you like supercars, even better. But we're definitely not early. Remember a split second earlier when I said we're not late? We're late. Traffic. Do you guys remember earlier on in the video when I was an idiot? God. Oh my gosh, you guys. When I dropped the camera, I kind of sort of broke the lens in that it's kind of just like, it's hard to zoom in and out. So if there's rough zoom in, zoom outs, it's because I'm an idiot. That's Mikey in the GT3 RS, by the way. It's isotope green, looks killer. You've heard this car so many times, but it never really gets old. We found ourselves in a traffic jam on a very steep incline. Bless my left leg, because this is a manual transmission. We have a bunch of these brand new Porsches with their fancy PDKs, but then if we go down the line, we got the R8, he's got a manual, Clayton's got a manual. So there's a couple of us. We're out here, boys. We're working hard, we're hustling for you guys. I gotta give props to the Viper and the Lotus Evora. They're also rocking the manual transmission. This turbo as well, manual transmission. Hashtag save the manuals. Welcome here to the Eaglewood Festival of Speed. I left these two spots open because there's two very, very special Lambos headed this direction. One has a V12 and the other has a V10. Also, there's another Lambo over there. There's a 720, so we got a lot to film. Time to roll. We got Mikey with the GT3 RS. Check out this R8. This one has the orange there on the side blade. Looks super, super cool. Mikey, on cue. What's up, dude? What's up? You excited for the car show, Sal? We got a 720 over there. You wanna go check it out? There's a tiny little cloud right there and the sun's right behind it, and we have that purple 720, so the color, it's not gonna do it justice. I don't know what else to say. You know there are any white GTRs in Utah. That looks sick. What's up, man? And now we have the... Yeah, no, I noticed that truck. Do you guys see that truck right there? We also have the purple 720. Look at this color. That is a normal size Ferrari. And then we have this guy. Like 511. Oh, what's up, mate? Clayton and Faith sold Faith's GTI and they are buying a truck. And just it's my understanding that's what you're going for.
Just like
it's kind of that look right there.
Specifically for me.
Yeah, especially for Faith, it's kind of, you know, fits your size. What do you think, little Sal? Yeah, you think so? Yeah.
We'll have to like toss him in.
A V12 and a V10. This is one of only 3 Aventadors in the entire state. The green Roadster. That is such a good color. The color is so killer. So we're gonna have Rich move his Huracan a little bit over. So we're in luck. We're gonna get a startup. If you like lifted trucks, you're gonna have yourself an afternoon. That is the Diesel Brothers truck, by the way. I just got informed of that. There's a Spiker in Utah. Who knew? Also, there's a blue Huracan right there. This is so sick. Check that out. What? So we have a food vlog coming momentarily, but first, we're gonna open up the car for anybody to sit in it who wants. What's your name?
Ellie.
Ellie. Ellie is sitting in it first. You guys can sit in it too if you'd like.
Oh yeah, we will.
John is a hero, he's a mate. He brought the Huracan Performante, but he's parking it in the wrong spot. So I'm gonna go have a little one-on-one and we'll see what we can do for the vlog. Whoa, 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 John, too soon, too soon, too soon. Could you do it one more time? My viewers didn't hear it. This was almost like the Wyra before the Wyra. You can see the shifter linkage right there. How cool is that? And John, he just told me a fun fact. So this is not my knowledge, this is John's. This shares the same V8 as my Audi R8. That thing is sick. Scratch that, scratch that. John just said he's 100% sure, but we should confirm it. So if that's right, great. If it's wrong, we messed up. We messed up. We made a mistake. Oh, are you kidding? Nutter Butters, thank you so much. Hooking it up. Perfect fit. It's a 3-seater. Our show is kind of, sort of over. Mikey just started the GT3 RS. Nobody here has any idea what's in store for them. I think he's gonna rev. The Eaglewood Festival of Speed is effectively over. The Lambo squad, we are rolling strong today. So without further ado, this is a cold startup on a 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. We got the whole crowd getting the cold startup. Here we go. It wasn't that great. It wasn't really officially a cold startup. But we are gonna rev it for the viewers. You guys ready? Pretty good, right? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Okay, now I cannot stall it. There's so many people. If I stall it, my YouTube career is over. Tadora, always a pleasure. Somehow I'm gonna have to sneak out of here. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Hey, what's up? What's up? Oh, there's Clayton. I love you too. Naderade, good to see you, man.
Hey.
Have a good one.
Time.
Yes, we gotta go drive more often.
Yes.
All right.
Before you start the R8.
Yes, definitely, definitely. See you, man. Have a good one. See you guys. All right, you asked for it. I was not expecting this big of a crowd. My fuel economy has now approached around 6, but you do it for the viewers. Check out that sunset, are you kidding me? What? Utah is killing it. Whoa. Dude. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, we got views on views. There goes Clayton and Faith. Just a random shout out to Clayton and Faith. They are such good friends. What a crazy, crazy show that was. I was not expecting so many of you guys to come out and support me. So much fun meeting my local Utah fans. Wow, what a trip. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.